Meet Danielle. Hers is a story of determination and second chances. Danielle grew up in Missouri and served in the Army for more than a decade. After being stationed at nearby Fort Bliss, she decided that a career in nursing was her next best step. And that step began right here at UTEP. Danielle, you are on.
Thanks for the introduction, Alex. I was a combat medic and licensed vocational nurse in the Army for 12 years. Originally, I'm from Missouri, but the military sent me to the El Paso, Fort Bliss area 3 times. On my 3rd time here, I decided to finally take the hint that apparently this is where I'm meant to be. And that's when I decided to attend the UTEP Nursing Program. The UTEP Nursing Program is helping me to build upon the medical knowledge and skills I obtained during my time in the military. I've put so many of my own goals on hold in order to help those that I love accomplish theirs. UTEP is making it possible for me to finally make myself a priority and accomplish a goal that I had set for myself nearly 20 years ago to become a registered nurse. I can't wait to see how many more people I'm going to be able to help once I finally finish my degree. Not only is UTEP giving me the tools to continue caring for others, but as a single mother of 3, they are helping me to provide a more secure and financially stable future for myself and my children. Between classroom lectures, time spent in the simulation lab, and clinical rotations at local hospitals, UTEP provides so many ways for nursing students to gain medical knowledge and hands-on experience. After my BSN, it's on to the next one for me. Master's, doctorate, here I come. At the age of 36, I might be a little bit older than the average college student, but I'm not gonna let that stop me from crushing one goal after the other and setting the best example possible for my children. Well, that's my story. Thanks for listening. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you for your sacrifices and service, Danielle. And we're inspired by your decision to pursue a career in nursing. UTEP's Military Student Success Center is a great resource for military students and families like yours to find support, resources, and assistance with military education benefits. Thanks again, Danielle.